Hi everyone. When you first open the program, you will see this registration dialog box, and of course, you want to test the program before you buy it. So, first, you close this window and start testing the program or trying to find the features and understand the features of it. I have already entered some documents. The number of documents is 6. The submitted document is 2 and the not submitted is 4. So let's open the file cabinet. Let's try to delete one document and watch the change here. We watch the change. The total number of documents is 6. If we delete one document, it should be 5. So let's delete this. Okay, it becomes 5. Now we can add more documents, and before registration you are allowed to add up to 20 documents. So to add documents, we press this one and let's write some random titles. Add next, and please watch this number, which is increases as I'm adding more documents. Add next, add next, add next, add next. Now there are 10 documents. And generally, in this program, you do 3 things only. You add documents, you submit documents, and you register the feedback from the client. Everything else is generated automatically. Now, let's close this window and look at this statistics. Total number of documents is 10. Submitted document 1. Not submitted 9. Now, let's open this cabinet again and let's submit another document. We click on the document itself and press submit, and then the program detects that this is the first submittal, so it suggests to you that this is revision 1. It's up to you, change whatever you want. I'm trying only to quickly show you the testing, and it's up to you to test the program the way you want. So let's register this one. Now it shows me if I want to open the transmittal. I will say not now, and now the number of submitted documents becomes 2. It was 1, becomes 2, and the not submitted documents becomes 8. Now let's try to imagine that I got a feedback from the client for this document. So I click this document, which is submitted, and I know it's submitted because the revision is 1, not applicable. It's 1. So I click this one and press feedback, and then I choose if the client has comments or rejected the document or approved or whatever. Let's imagine that he has some comments, and then I press register. Now I get another category, which is comments, which means let's look at this summary. I have total number of documents 10, the submitted 2, and the not submitted 8. Now if you see here, this pie chart is the total number of documents, which is 100%, 80% not submitted, 10% has comments, and 1% 10% has comments, and 10% is under review. And these are the statistics. You can test these statistics. I click here under review. If I double click under review, I get the documents which is under review. Similarly, in this statistics, if I click any one of these categories, I can get statistics for a specific department. And now you can also play with the settings, by the way. According to the departments in your company or your industry, you can change the categories. For example, I added the default categories or the default departments: construction, diving, engineering, whatever. You can change these departments. You can delete anyone. You can click this one and delete it from here. You can edit the title of this one. You can do whatever you want according to your specific requirements. So this is generally what what you can do to test it. And of course you can do more, you can investigate more commands and more dialog boxes. You can consider this before registration as a trial copy where you can add only 20 documents. But once you are comfortable with this program, you can register it and add unlimited number of documents. For registration, you just maybe you may close the program and open it again, or you may click this button and purchase the document from this button. After you purchase the program, you get another copy, and you are entitled to, of course, register one copy only, whether this copy which you get by email or the copy which you can download which you can download after the purchase.